Hi, sweet peas. We're going to be doing a science project. Welcome. Today, we are going to make lemon volcanoes. So, a few things you're going to need. A half of a lemon cut in half. You can use the other half as well if you want to add another volcano. Vinegar. There's no specific measurements. A generous amount of baking soda. Watercolor. Or what works best is food coloring. I just didn't have any, so I substituted for this. You could see I also have soap, which is not necessary because this is just going to add to our eruption to make it more bubbly. So it's up to you. I like to use Dawn dish soap. It will still work if you do not use this. And then I have more lemon juice just to put on my lemon, just to make the eruption bigger. So the more lemon, the bigger the eruption happens. So, first, I have on my list, you can see it says, first you cut the lemon, which we did. Check. I'm going to check it. You can make a list too, if it will help you. Then it says juice sides and slit holes. So another thing you'll need is I would use a popsicle stick. I did not have popsicle sticks, so I'm going to use a butter knife. So what you're going to do is cut little slits in here like this, just to open up the juice inside the lemon. So you'll see the star inside the lemon. Should look like that. Try to open that up a little bit. And then, like I said, I'm going to put more juice on the sides just to make it more citrusy. You don't need to, but it's always an option. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use food coloring. So, for you guys, if you have a dropper or something to drip it with, I would do that. I have this, so I'm going to just pour some in. You do not have to use food coloring if you don't want to. It's just an option to make it really colorful. So I'm going to check that. And then the next thing it says, dish soap all over lemon. I'm going to do that too. You don't have to, remember, but I'm going to do it. I'm curious to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to put a little bit. And go whoop, 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 whoop. Then I'm going to put check. Last but not least, what's going to make it erupt is this generous amount of baking soda. So we're going to sprinkle it on. You're going to see it starts to bubble a little bit. Cover the whole lemon. Cover all of it till it looks like a snow island. We'll call it our snow island. So once you get the little snow island going, you're going to take little drips. You can see, oh. Look at that. It's a huge eruption. You can do it slowly, fast. Wow. You could see too that I didn't really have enough. You can play around with it. Can't really see. You could see all the bubbles. Can't really see the color I put in. I don't think I put enough color in it. But you can use multiple colors. See what happens if you put colors in each of these slots. You can put a little blue, red, yellow. You can make it tie-dye. I would say to definitely use food coloring and use a lot of different colors to see what happens and see what you can make. I hope you can see it. The idea and what we just learned is that inside a lemon, we have something called citric acid. There's lots of acid that gives it the sour taste that you have every day. Another food that's comparable would be an orange, something sour. And then baking soda is the opposite of acidic. It's called basic. So it's a base. So this is the complete opposite. So when they interact, it causes an eruption. But once it interacts, you can't really keep, you're going to have to keep, maybe take the lemon, wipe it off again and start over, or use the other half. You can play with this all day. Make sure you use a tray because it is going to get everywhere. It's a messy, messy game. And then after, don't forget to wash your hands to practice our safety, being safe. I hope you enjoyed this art project and let me know how it goes.